There are many ways to advance fundamental research and positively impact the world around us. Science needs contributions from every perspective in order to move forward and help the world. You don't need to be a genius or win a Nobel Prize. You can be different from your peers and still stand out. We highlight the underrepresented physical chemists who have led innovation and transformed our lives. By telling their stories, we hope to encourage others to see their unique perspectives as valuable features. In 1938, German physicists discovered nuclear fission, setting off a scientific race around the world. By 1941, in the midst of World War II, British and American leadership had agreed to coordinate efforts to construct an atomic bomb. Columbia University and the University of Birmingham started their work to understand how to harness the power of nuclear fission. This undertaking would require the talents, efforts, and contributions from many people, including our science hero, Chien Shiung Wu. Wu was a Chinese female physicist who notably contributed to the Manhattan Project. Wu was born in 1912 in the Jiangsu province of China. Her father was an engineer and a champion of women's equality, encouraging girls from his community to attend a school he founded regardless of their socioeconomic circumstances. Her mother was a teacher, and both parents surrounded Wu with resources to feed her interests. She left home at 10 years old to attend a competitive program at Suzhou Women's Normal School No. 2, a boarding school. Upon completion, she received her bachelor's from what is now known as Nanjiang University, where her studies started in mathematics but eventually turned to physics. She then worked with Gu Jingwei at the Institute of Physics of the Academia Sinica. Gu was another female physicist who had earned her PhD at the University of Michigan. Wu was encouraged to pursue studies in the US too. Wu visited both the University of Michigan and University of California, Berkeley. She chose to attend Berkeley due to the blatant sexism at Michigan. In those times, women were not allowed to use the front entrance. She earned her PhD in physics from Berkeley in 1940. After becoming a professor, first at Smith College and then at Princeton University, Wu joined the Manhattan Project at Columbia University. She began building instrumentation to check the effects of radiation. She was also asked to investigate the malfunction of another instrument, where the basis of the glitch was suspected to be rooted in the decay of radioactive xenon. Wu's thesis, unpublished at the time, centered around the decay of xenon and fission of uranium. Her graduate work made her the perfect person for the job. With her knowledge, she was able to contribute to the enrichment of fuel rods for what would become the atomic bomb, and develop innovative Geiger counters which detect levels of radiation. Dr. Wu's additional experiments have been the basis of both the 1957 and 2022 Nobel Prizes in Physics. Chien Shiung's story highlights the importance of how physical chemists and chemical physicists make major contributions to the global community, and shows that you can impact the world through chemistry.